The first of these four guards is posta longa, and it is an extended position where you are reaching with one hand. Fiore illustrates it quite clearly with both feet flat on the ground, which implies, to my mind, a turn forwards of the hips. And this is what it looks like. It can, of course, be done on either side. And from the front, it looks like this. The next guard that Fiore shows is posta di dente di cinghiaro, which is the position of the wild boar's tooth. And it is a rising strike. Yeah. And on the other side, like so. So the hands, so the front hand is palm up, and as if you have a glass of champagne balanced on it, or indeed your opponent's broken jaw balanced on it. And we are here. The next guard that Fiore shows is porta di ferro, and then we have frontale. Porta di ferro is the hands are down. Which is not terribly interesting, because they're just sitting there like that. Oh, it's almost as if you've got somebody's broken arm under your hands or something, but he doesn't show any of that. He just has the hands down. It goes very nicely with frontale, which are hands forward. So frontale, porta di ferro, frontale, and porta di ferro, frontale and porta di ferro, frontale and porta di ferro.